dali na. Dali na. Anahin mo na. Buuhin mo na siya.
Dito to?
Let me see. Yeah. Good job. What shape is this one?
This one.
What shape is this?
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Dito to?
Let me see. Yeah, good job. What shape is... Ay. What shape is that? Circle. Yeah. No. Yes. Next. Tama yan. Yung violet na lang. Yung purple na lang ayusin mo.
Yan.
You can do it. Kasi ayan. Good job. Next one. Oops. Saan yan? Sa circle yan. Okay. Next. No. That one. Square.
Dito.
Okay po.
Dito.
Kahit saan. Yan. Ano sunod dito sa blue?
Blue.
Yan. What else? What's the next color? Nope. 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 No, you cannot put it there.
This.
Yeah. Wow, good job. Looks like a pizza. No.
It's a pizza.
Okay. Next. No. Yay. Good job. Yeah.
Ninang may TV to.
TV ni Ninang Mayan?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Ay! Tapon yung TV ni Ninang May.
Oops. Ipasok mo siya dun sa loob ng hexagon. Yan. Oh. Move mo lang siya. Okay. Yay! Last one! Oh, lagay mo na dun sa hexagon. Yan. Yay! Wow, good job!